Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we have a new Reborn baby doll from Aliexpress this time. My first one was from Amazon, which she's a replica of Twin A from Bonnie Brown. And I'll show a picture of my little Mia in the corner of the screen. And absolutely love Mia. She's so cute and I love her hair and she's such a pretty doll and I really love her. So I thought maybe she can use a sister. So I ended up getting another one from Aliexpress, a different one, and then I was like so in love with this one. I thought she was so pretty when I saw her online, guys. Wait till you see. Oh, I hope this is the same baby. I hope it is, because I've seen some videos where people get the wrong babies and I'm like, if that happens to me, I am not going to like that. But yes, so at first I want to show you some clothes that I got for her. So let me show you the clothes I got for her first and then we'll go ahead and unbox her. So I went to Walmart this weekend and I got her this set. I think it paid like $8 for this. It's the Gerber and I got it in size 3 to 6 months, which should tell you her size. It says, hello, pretty princess. Anything princess, you got me. It's so cute. And then this is the other outfit. It's this yellow onesie. So cute. With little white flowers on it. And then she has this onesie that has florals on it. It's so cute. And then also, I picked her up 2 little shorts. Because, you know, Walmart has those shorts that are like $3 and change. So I got her these pink shorts. And this is the Granimals brand. And it's so cute. I got her this pink one. And then I got her this set this right here. That's a jean set. So cute. Alright, so that's the clothes that we got for her. Kind of like a little unboxing type of thing where she has clothes to make it more unboxing like. So let's go ahead and get straight into the doll. So I'm gonna go ahead, let's cut this open. All right, so let's go ahead and open the bag. I'm so excited. Hi, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. They wrapped this doll pretty good. For it to be in a bag, they have her wrapped really well. They have her wrapped in like this foam. So nice. And oh my god, I see her head. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm so excited, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. Okay. Oh my god. She's so pretty. Okay, hold on. I see her feet. You guys, I can see her feet. Look at her feet. Oh. Okay, so she's a toddler. And she's so cute. So let's go ahead and cut this open so we can reveal her. Okay, so we're gonna roll her out of here. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Trying to roll her out. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you guys her. She's so cute. Oh, she looks so real. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take her out the bag. Let's take her out the bag. Oh my gosh, she looks so real, guys. Okay. She looks so real. And her vinyl's so soft. Okay, so this is her. Oh my god. She's so cute. Oh my god, look at her eyes. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Oh my god, look at her. So she's the replica of the Mila scope from Ping Lao. And oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh. So I love that they put the net around her hair because this protects her hair from getting messed up in transit. She looks so real. You guys need to see her eyes. Oh my god, guys, she's so cute. Look at her eyebrows. Look at that is amazing. That is amazing, guys. Look at her face. Oh, she's so cute. Just too cute. I love it so much. And this is her pacifier in her mouth. Oh my god, so cute. I love her. I love her. Absolutely love her. And this was a great buy. I highly recommend this company. I'm gonna link it down below. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, okay, guys, look at her feet. Look at her little feeties. Look at her feet. And her feet are tipped. This is her feet tipped. And oh my gosh, she has like veining. Look at her leg. Let me see her thigh. Oh my god. And then look at her thigh in the back. I love it. Wow, she looks so real. She's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my god. I love her. I love her. I love her. I love her. And she comes with this two-piece outfit. Like, she comes with these shorts. She wears 3 to 6 months. She comes with these shorts. Let me pull it down. I had it bunched up from when I had her in packaging. But look at it. She has these little tiny shorts. And then she comes with this floral top. And oh my gosh. I gotta pierce her ears. I pierced Mia's ears. And she's so cute. Okay, so let me take the hairnet off of her. Oh my god. And guys, I paid like less than $60 for her. She's so cute. My god. And look at these hands. Look at her hands. Look at her hands. Look at them hands. And it's open. And oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Let me check her limbs. So her limbs are a little stiff. So I am going to go ahead and loosen her zip ties. But she's so cute. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Look at her eyes, guys. Her eyes are like a hazel color. This is the color my eyes were when I was little. Oh my gosh, so cute. And her lashes look pretty. And oh my god, and the hair. Her hair is soft. I really love her hair. Oh my gosh. So she's definitely gonna need a wash. And so her curls could pop out because she has curly hair. I'll put a picture of what she looks like in Aliexpress. I'll put a picture of her in the corner of the screen of what she looks like on Aliexpress. Oh my gosh, she's my little girl. I love her. She's my little toddler. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh, she's pretty. And she's soft too. Her vinyl is so soft. I kind of like Aliexpress more than Amazon. This is so cute. Oh my god. She's cute. I was thinking about adding weight to her, but yeah, I'll probably add like maybe 5 pounds to her, but she's pretty hefty a little bit coming in the box. Well, in the bag. But wow, she's so cute. She looks good, guys. She looks really good. Like, and her skin tone is really nice. Because I seen like the one on Temu and the skin tone looked a little grayish and I didn't like that. So this one on Aliexpress looks so cute. So let's see what else she came with. Let me go ahead and set her to the side and show you what else she came with. Let me sit her down. Alright. So she also came with a bottle with a little nipple right there. I do save these bottles because these bottles are really good. I don't like when they give the other bottles. And then she came with a magnet pacifier. And then she came with this right there. And it's from the company Umai. And I know a lot of people get their dolls from Umai because I heard they have really good dolls. So I'm glad that I got the doll from Umai because I was hoping it was Umai because it looked like it. But the listing that the other person had, they didn't have it anymore. So I will link this doll down below if you guys are interested in getting her. But she's so cute. I was like, wow, I'm so surprised. She is so cute. She is so adorable, darling. Alright, so this is my unboxing. And then let me tell you guys her name. So I already have a name for her. Because I was like already thinking of a name when she was on the way here. So you guys meet Lyric. So her name is going to be Lyric. And then sure, she's going to be called Lily. Because I call Mia Mimi. So she's going to be Lyric. And then her nickname's gonna be Lily. So I'm super excited and I love her so. She's so pretty. Oh my god, I keep saying that, guys, but she's just too cute. She's so cute. Let me take one of her ponytails down so you guys can see her hair better. I'm gonna take one of her rubber bands out. They put rubber bands in these dolls' hair. I don't understand why, but they do. So Let me show you guys how her hair looks. So she has a head full of hair. Look at this hair. Oh my gosh, she has so much hair. I love this. I'm gonna have so much fun with this hair. So much fun. I already bought a whole bunch of little hair accessories for her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I'm so happy with my purchase. I'm very happy with my purchase. And oh my god, look at that. The parting, and oh, so cute. Ah, she's so cute. All right, guys, so that's it for my review of my new toddler Lyric. She's so adorable. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have this doll or if you guys think this doll is cute. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me and my little Reborn dolls. I also do fashion dolls as well. I do a lot of dolls. I just like to buy dolls that I love. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do on Bougie Doll Life. So thank you guys for watching me unbox me and see Lyric for the first time. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Lyric. Bye.